it's time to open our ears to the Best Sound in Film or TV award, because the captivated viewer is, of course, also a listener.
And the nominees are...
Dan Birch, John Stevenson, Garret Farrell, Titanic, Blood and Steel, Paddy Hanlon, Steve Fanagan, Niall Brady, What Richard Did, Garret Farrell, Hugh Fox, Steve Fanagan, Citadel, Ronan Hill, Mervyn Moore, Game of Thrones.
And the IFTA this evening is going to Garret Farrell, Hugh Fox and Steve Fanagan for Citadel.
Thank you very much. Thank you to these two gents for making me look good. I'd just like to thank Alan Collins, Rachel Donovan, Paul Moore at Ardmore Sound, Jim Duggan and everybody at Screen Scene, to Katie Hawley and everybody at Blinder Films, to Brian Coffey and everybody at Sigma, and to Kieran Foy, who wrote and directed this film, and just did an amazing job. It was such a pleasure to work with you, man, and I just really can't wait to see what you do next. Anyone else?
My wife, Bridget.
Just want to say happy birthday to my girlfriend, Lorraine.
My partner, Kat, as well. Sorry, we should go. Thanks to the rest of the sound crew on the film as well. I think we're been told to go, so
have a
thank
good
you very
night.
much.
Thank you.